hardest thing is asking somebody to stay. No, the hardest thing's accepting they've already left. I prayed, I waited, I forgave, I believed, but love can't survive when only one heart keeps fighting. So if leaving is what you've chosen, I won't stand in your way. Oh, I saw the distance growing long before you packed your things. Your smile was only passing through. It lost the joy it used to bring. I kept believing tomorrow would somehow change your mind, but every step I took toward us, you kept leaving us behind. I gave this love my everything, my faith, my soul, my time. But one heart can't carry forever when the other leave love behind. I won't beg for borrowed feelings or chase what wants to leave. Love was never meant to survive on one heart's belief. If walking away brings peace, then I'll open up the door, because holding on means nothing when love lives here no more.
Let the doorknob hit you where the good Lord split you.
I've done all I know to do.
All I know.
Now the rest belongs to you.
You find what you're looking for.
May every dream come true.
May every dream come true.
But you won't find it with me.
No.
You won't find it with me.
Don't find it with me.
Walk on, Lord have mercy. Find your peace, you made your choice. I'll remember all the laughter without forgetting all the pain. Some people bless your lifetime, some become a lesson game. I won't speak against your name or repay hurt with hurt. The truth will always stand alone, long after the tears have dried. One day life may bring you back, searching for what slipped away. But yesterday can't be relived. Once tomorrow finds today. One day, when the room grows quiet and your thoughts become your company, you'll remember who believed, who stayed, who prayed, who loved without asking for anything in return. And I truly hope you'll find the peace you've been searching for.
Let the doorknob hit you where the good Lord split you.
There's nothing left to prove,
Nothing left to lose.
nothing left to lose.
May the good Lord guide your footsteps
Wherever
life may lead.
but you won't find what you're searching for.
your peace.
Be blessed, be blessed. Walk on. May the Lord be with you. I never wanted our story to end this way, but love was never meant to be carried by one heart. So go find the light you've been searching for. May peace walk beside you, but remember, you won't fight with me.